Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah
And welcome to my channel. That is Wasimullah, graphics and architectural designer.
Today I'm going to teach you the band modifier in 3dsmax and for what purpose we use band modifier. Before showing that, let's subscribe my channel and also share with friends, values, colleagues and family. Without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Now take a box in top viewport and drag it upward. And make sure that it must be big in size and height so that I can show you the band modifier. Increase its segments or lines or edges. Open the edges faces in the perspective viewport. Segment, increase its segment, width segment and height segment. Now you can segment means lines, both vertically, horizontally and in height. Set into 10, the length segment 10 and 10. Otherwise it won't bend if you don't have lines or segments or edges. It can't bend the object. These lines are all called segment edges and segments. Now apply bend modifier and rotate it, change its angle to the right side and make it right side. On z-axis it makes right side or left side. It turns right side or left side. It bends the angle by changing the angle on z-axis to the right side. Now it turns the right side. Now you can see the right side, it bends to the right side. If you want to move it to the left side, decrease its segments, decrease the angle to go into the right. If you want to go to the left side, make it minus, go in minus. Now on x-axis it would take its rotation. It on y-axis it comes in rotation, and on x-axis it comes in both the right side and left side. It turns. Now on y-axis it turns rotation. On from the top you can see it rotates. It rotates it makes rotate an angle. On a z-axis it makes an angle to the right side and the left side. It turns to the right side and left side from front view. On top view it turns rotate, and if you see from the top view it rotate an object. Now you can see that from top rotation. On x-axis on it rotates to the right side and left side from front side. If you see from front view, it comes from the top view, from the top side to the right side, left down side, and to the top side and to the left side. It turns. And change this angle. What do you want to give an angle. If you type x-axis, if you don't increase its angle, it won't bend. With that I have completed my tutorial. I will be back with the next tutorial. but do subscribe channel.
That is Wasimula graphics and architectural designer.